planning your summer vacation and looking for the best deals. Navigating the world of travel booking can often feel like trying to find a hidden treasure, but there's no need to feel lost. With a little bit of insider knowledge, you can secure the best deals and save big on your summer travels. It's all about timing when it comes to booking flights. For domestic flights within the U.S., the early bird truly does catch the worm. Booking now for your summer travel can yield some of the best deals. If you're planning to jet off to Europe, there's good news on the horizon. A predicted 10% decrease in fares compared to last year could make your dream Euro trip a reality. However, it's not just about when you book, but also when you plan to travel. Flexibility is key. If you have the ability to be a bit loose with your dates, you might find that the best fares are hiding in plain sight. Midweek travel, for instance, often comes with lower fares. And then there's the post-summer shoulder season. As summer winds down and the crowds start to thin, airlines and hotels are likely to offer enticing discounts to keep their seats and rooms filled. Prices tend to dip between 8 to 4 weeks before the outbound flight. So keep this in mind when planning your return journey. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly recap some of these expert tips on booking summer travel. Firstly, timing is crucial. Book early for domestic flights and keep an eye out for predicted fare decreases for European destinations. Secondly, flexibility can save you big bucks. Consider midweek travel and be open to adjusting your dates if it means securing a better deal. Lastly, don't forget about the shoulder season. The post-summer period can offer some surprising discounts, especially if you're able to book your return journey 8 to 4 weeks before the outbound flight. So there you have it. With these expert tips in your travel toolbox, you're well equipped to navigate the booking process and secure the best deals for your summer vacation. Happy travels.